Welcome to my new project. Last week I got given a couple of soft tops and this hard top by another member of the club, and I think this might have been on its way to the tip or whatever, because it's been in an accident once, been repaired, and then sat at the back side of the house gathering mould and rusting. So I've already rust converted and cleaned it up and sprayed the mould off, and then the scary bit, it'll be the first time I've ever done a fiberglass repair. Cut away a lot of the broken or bad fiberglass. Now it's down to the solid stuff, and I'm trimming it back. And I've spoken to the guys about what to do. Apparently I've got to fill it from the back, and I've watched a few videos on repairing boats, so I hope this is going to be similar. Bit of sanding, still to do a bit of sand this down because it's got hairline cracks all the way through it, and I need to get down to the substrate underneath before I can repair it. And I'll videotape some of it so you can see what's happening. This could be good. It will save me, well, these brand new are 750, well, it's not brand new, but if a second-hand one, if you can get one, they normally start from about 750, and I'll probably put about 350 plus labour into getting it up and running. I'm not going to worry too much about the paint job. I'll do the paint job once I'm sure that it's working. Let's have a go. So the first thing I did was made sure the top fitted. I had to drill holes in the top to get to the mount points on this age of Jeep, and then I had to get the clamps to fit, and I put what we call, and walks off stage, walks back on stage, riv nuts, so I don't have to get behind the steel with a nut and a bolt. I just get the bolt and go straight in. This is like a rivet, but it's nut. Awesome. I'll get some air going in here so I don't really like that. One of the things I like to do in my garage is put a winch in so I can lift things off the floor that are too heavy. That might be one of those things. And well, I've already put this on so I can cut and shape, knowing that it's going to fit the Jeep. But to do the fiberglassing and further work, I need to take it off. And with the riv nuts, it should be quite quick. I've got more than 2 riv nuts to take out, but I've only got 2 left to take out right now. So I'll take those out and lift the top up. It's not even that extra. Life is never simple when every bolt is different, but that will change one day. In the final, they'll all be the same. Let's not take the mask off for a bit. But, yep, bad hole here. Tiny crack here, but I need to probably put a little drill hole to stop that crack from splitting further, and then I can glass over the top of that and smooth it down. That's why I put that deeper crack in there. Yeah, maybe it needs a little bit more. So apparently where the cracks are, you should drill a hole at the end of the crack so it stops it from extending. So there's not that many cracks, but let's do that. I'll just fire the battery. That's the top. There you go. This whole thing here is a hole, so I don't know if there's any benefit of doing that. Just to be sure. And that, well, that's already a hole there. Okay, that's what I was dealing with. It's just soft in some places. Where the joint is, they didn't overlap it properly. And I've shaved off the beveled the edges, so I'm going to try and repair it from inside. I've managed to open a hole, he says. There you are, fingers there. So at the right time I'll tip this upside. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a mould on the outside, kind of like that. Get all that sealed up, then repair it from the inside, and then hopefully I don't have to do too much. I'll have to put some fiberglass on the outside, And I've scalloped that up so I can make a good solid join, but most of the work, the repair work's going to be on the inside where nobody sees it. And that, I think, is enough for today. Bye.